1,000 grafts means 1,000 hairs, right? No. This mistake is made by almost every patient who comes to the office. I will explain to you how the number of grafts differs from the number of hairs. A graft is a small piece of tissue that we take and transplant to areas where hair is missing. Today, we use tools with a diameter of up to 1 millimeter. So in practice, one graft equals one hair follicle. But one follicle does not equal one hair. From one follicle, 1 to 4, and sometimes even 5 hairs can grow. Follicles grow in natural groups and produce several hairs at once. And now, simple math that opens your eyes. We take 1,000 grafts, which means 1,000 hair follicles. If each follicle has an average of 2 hairs, then we have 2,000 hairs. If each follicle had 3 hairs, then 1,000 follicles would equal 3,000 hairs. The numbers become completely different. In Central and Eastern Europe, the average number of hairs in one follicle is 2.5. In comparison, for individuals of Asian descent, this average is about 2. Therefore, when the doctor tells you, we will take 2,000 grafts or follicles, it is not 2,000 hairs. It can even be 5 or 6,000 hairs. But there is one more element of the puzzle: hair thickness. A person with thick hair may have fewer hairs in each follicle, but those thick hairs better cover the scalp and give the impression of density. A person with thin hair usually has more of them in the follicle. Therefore, there is no universal number of grafts. Everything must be tailored individually to the patient's hair structure and the area we want to cover. Do you know where the word graft in hair transplantation actually came from? Years ago, tools with a diameter of 3 millimeters or more were used. One graft contained 3 or more follicles at once. After implantation, they produced an effect that, to put it mildly, looked like dull hair. Therefore, by using small tools, we can say that one graft equals one follicle. But it wasn't always like that. Fortunately, those times are behind us. Today we take one hair follicle after another, and the result looks as it should, natural. Another lesson behind us, I invite you to the next one. And if the topic interested you, I encourage you to check out my guide 101 Questions About Hair Transplant, available in the form of a book, ebook, and audiobook.